We are now authorized dealers of the Building 36, which is part of Alarm.com. This technology is amazing. And what I want to talk to you about today is the smart water valve and meter. And this is a whole home connected and protected solution. And this is something that can be built onto for other smart home connections in your home or business. Now, what's really cool about this and what's taken us a little while to get into the connected home space is finding the right company to partner with. See, behind the scenes, there's all these different platforms and ways to connect, and could be a very fragmented space, and it has been for a long time. And then there's also the issue of Wi-Fi, dealing with the home's Wi-Fi, and who has the password and connecting it and so on and so forth. Let me tell you, this is the solution we ended up with, that we chose to go with. After a lot of research, a lot of talking with different companies, to me, the clear winner in this space is Building 36. Today, the smart water valve that we're talking about, right? This is a kit. There's basically two starter kits that we have. We have one that is for your water, right? We have the other one that is for your HVAC system. Now, with the HVAC system one, when you invest in a new HVAC system with general air conditioning and plumbing, you get this HVAC kit, which is a thermostat, a wet switch, a smart plug, and the hub. And I'll go into that in a little bit more detail in a few minutes. But for right now, what you get with the smart valve and meter is you get this hub. Now this is the hub, this is kind of the brains, this is where everything connects through. What's really cool about this is once you have this, you don't need any more. So if you started with the water kit and then went to the HVAC, or any of the many other products we offer, you only need one of these, all right? But this comes in the two starter kits. This can be added separately as well, outside of a starter kit. But this is the hub. This is what's needed to connect any of the devices in your home. With this device, this is the water valve. This connects to the water supply coming into your home. This you can access through your smartphone, a tablet, and interact with it. Now, this is going to monitor your water supply, and it's going to track to see if there is a leak, such that may result from a hose bib outside having a slow drip, or a faucet left on, or a catastrophic plumbing failure, a toilet supply line, a sink supply line, a toilet overflowing. It's going to say, hey, there's something catastrophic here. This is way too much water volume for continual use. Outside the normal usage, it's going to shut your water down, all right? It's also going to send you alerts. With this kit, you get 3 of these devices. These are basically wet switches. These you put anywhere there may be an issue with water. They are battery powered. They have a 10-year battery life, and they connect remotely to the hub and to everything else. And the cool thing is these act as extenders to strengthen the signal throughout your home. So where might you want to put one of these? In the pan of your water heater, in case your water heater starts leaking water. It will notify you. Maybe in the condensate pan for your HVAC system. If that backs up and it's not draining properly, it will notify you that there's an excess amount of water built up. Maybe under a sink, behind a toilet, anywhere you may have issues with water leaks. Listen, water damage is one of the top homeowner claims for homeowners insurance in the United States. In fact, I personally have suffered a flood in my home. This would have notified me and I would have been able to limit the damage. This would have shut the water down and I wouldn't have had to live in a rental property while the house was renovated, restored, mitigated, whatever you call it, for I think it was almost a year, maybe a little over a year. Very inconvenient. I have this in my house. Everybody should have this in their home. In fact, insurance companies, many insurance companies are requiring these type of devices be installed in your home, especially if you've had any previous water issue. So this device, absolutely amazing. We have it, you get an app with it, you interact with it. When you make the investment in this product, we, General Air Conditioning and Plumbing, include 2 years of monitoring in the device. After that, it's $8 a month. You're connected, you get alerts We will also get alerts of anything that's a critical nature. So even if you're out of town, you get an alert, we're going to be notified that there's an issue going on as well. So we can be proactive in helping you resolve issues. You'll also get water usage reports. It's actually amazing when you see how much water you use. My bill always says efficient when I get it each month, but you know what? I was like, wow, that's a lot of water. Where does it all go? But I guess we do use a lot of water in the things that we do, washing our clothes and brushing our teeth and bathing and everything like that. But it's an amazing technology. And what's really exciting about this technology is you can build off of it. And that monthly monitoring fee is for however many things you add to your platform. Video doorbells, yeah, we do that. Connects to this platform. Security cameras, interior and exterior, yes, we do that. Lighting controls, yes, we do that. In fact, in this starter kit, you get this plug, and this you simply plug into any outlet you want. So let's say you have a light in the house, a floor lamp or something like that, that you want to be able to turn on and off. Maybe before you get home, you want to turn on the lights in the house or this particular light, and you could do it for anything, plug anything in that you want. Plug this in, and now through your app on your phone, you can turn this on and off to energize the light, the charger, the TV, whatever it is. Now, we do have outlets that we can install because we also do electrical. So we are general air conditioning and plumbing and electric. We are licensed electrical contractors. So we can change out your outlets, all of them or some of them, to be controlled through your phone. Light switches, same thing. We have light switches that we can install, all operating off of this platform. The other thing we can do, garage door openers. If you have a garage door opener that's compatible with Building 36, we can install a control that will interact on one platform. All of this, one platform, one technology. Your irrigation system, we have something for that. This is amazing technology. Door sensors. Let's say you got a door in the house, you want to know if somebody has opened it. Whether it's an exterior door, maybe you've got kids and you want to know if somebody goes out that door. Maybe it's a liquor cabinet, you want to know if somebody opened your liquor cabinet. Whatever it may be, we've got sensors that will let you know if that door has been opened or not, or accessed. Additionally, we have smart locks. So locks for your home that you can put on. Now, you may say, hey, listen, this is all technology that's out there, right? There's irrigation that you can control through your phone and an app. There's lighting you can control through a phone and your app, and thermostats, and garage door openers, outdoor lighting, video doorbells. You're right, there is. The problem is they're all different apps. They all work separately. This is a connected home, all on one platform, all on one platform. So you are not having to open your Ring app and your Rainbird app and your HVAC thermostat app and your lighting app. This is all one platform, connected, communicated, one low monthly monitoring for the home. Doesn't matter how many thermostats you have connected, how many outlets you have connected. It's all one monitoring fee. We can do it all for you. Great technology. I shared this because I know personally how devastating a leak in your home can be, water damage can be, and this technology can prevent it. You want to know more about it, give us a call. Go online, callthegeneral.com. You can go to Building 36. You can go to alarm.com. You can give us a call. Great technology. I want you to be aware of it. If you're not in our area, you can go on to Building 36 and find a provider, find somebody that's partnered with them, and it doesn't matter where you live, they're all over the United States. Check it out, it's well worth it. A small investment now can prevent a huge headache, pain, and cost in the future.